Myself, Rakhi. I joined this Ashtanga Chikitsa, uh, I think 3 months back, but I could found a drastic change in mine. I'm having the problem of spine, like why my L1 to L5 has a gap. Every now and then I used to get 15, like in 15 days, I used to get my backache and all. I used to get really fed up because my domestic chores used to get hamper. But after joining this, as I was scrolling the Facebook, I saw something, this Ashtanga Chikitsa. I mean, it was saying like you have to, your inner thing will be improved. Well, let me give a try and see. Now, after going through all this yoga session and all that, let me try out this also. But as I joined this, I found a drastic change. Like what, every 15 days I used to get my backache. That backache problem has solved. I'm so happy for that. Without fail, in the early morning, I get up by 5:30 and start doing my yoga. And plus, apart from this spine problem, I was having esophagus problem, means digestive problem I have. Like heavy things like ghee and all that, ghee paratha and all that, I cannot have. If I have, my burping stops. Like after having our food, how we get burp, that burping comes after a long time. I was getting so restless. But with this, slowly this digestive problem is also getting solved. I'm so happy with Ashtanga Chikitsa. All my mentors who guided us so nicely, and the medicines what you like have listed, that my medicines also I'm taking. This eye drops also I'm putting it, because I have got a surgery of cataract, one eye. The eye is still pending. I don't want to get it done, so I'm doing that also. But with Ashtanga Chikitsa, I'm very happy because everything is getting reversed. This time I got cold also. I think so within a day or two. Otherwise, my cold goes on till 15, 21 days. That is sure. 21 days it used too long. But after getting like Kumbhak theory and all that, putting the, closing the nose and holding the breath, exhaling like very slowly, inhaling fast. So this has helped my breathing problems also solved. So I'm very happy with all my mentors and especially the Guruji, like who guided us in a very proper way. Thanks. And I recommend like everyone should join. And really, instead of having pills, because I have my thyroid also, I'm taking pills also now to get it tested. I am sure that this problem will also would have been solved.
Thank you so much, Rakhi ma'am. So are we talking about some hidden benefits other than the neuromuscular health issues that you
Hidden
have?
benefit,
Like your
hidden
digestive problem has got solved as well, and you are quite sure your thyroid issues will also get resolved, right? So
right.
I think another part is that her dedication, which the participants have to be clear about. Apna dedication is very important. She gets up 5:30 in the morning. So
We should
that
be honest to ourselves. We should be honest to ourselves.
Yes.
What
So
I
now,
learned from you. When the session used to go on, you said that you should be honest to yourself because you have to get cured.
Yes.
We are there to teach, but
yes, every person has to work upon their own lives. Nobody can do it for you, right?
Yeah. Very true.
Thank you so much, ma'am.